guys, how's it going? A little warm now that the sun's out. I don't know if you can hear me, but I've just hiked in about 15 minutes from the road because I saw about this waterfall that you can actually go in behind. So I've gotten this far, and now you're going to come with me the rest of the way. It's all very slippery scree, so we got to be careful. Wow, you can feel the mist coming off of it. Really nice, very refreshing. Just another corner of awesome Iceland, and I'm here all by myself. There ain't nobody else around. Ice-tastic, I'm telling you. All right, guys, I got to make my way back down. We'll talk to you later. 50 years, 50 countries, Eastern Iceland. Bye.